Hi. An electric lawnmower is a quiet, lightweight, and environmentally friendly choice. Based on performance and budget-friendly price point, we choose this best-rated cheap electric lawnmower. First, let's see the features of this great product.
Introducing the 12-amp 20-inch electric mower from Greenworks Tools. The powerful 12-amp motor delivers enough power to cut through the toughest grass and weeds. At 56 pounds, with a durable 20-inch cutting deck, it is the ideal lawnmower for small to medium-sized yards. Thanks to its easy push start and lightweight design, eliminate all the hassles that come with a gas-equivalent mower. The 3-in-1 feature design provides multiple options for grass clippings from side discharge, mulching, and rear bagging. A 7-position height adjustment offers a range from 1.5 inch to 3 3/4 inch for the perfect cut on all grass types. Wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels ensure the mower will move across any yard. After use, conveniently store the mower thanks to the folding handles.
And these are our editor ratings for this product.